man. Pretty like a money. A man take up a bun of man in can't sign a bun of man this you know. So yesterday you know have Jagana. Me see dog take a sip of and Jagana and punks. Me say yeah. Yo. Top of the morning if you are a subscriber, welcome back to the channel. You know we're out here in a people on another adventure. You get to me and say? Yeah man. So yard and abroad don't go and bless up on yourself when you don't know the thing come down, we come out on another fishing. You see what me I say? Me, Firefox, Randy out here today. You get to me I say, see there? Water nice and pretty. So peeps, we are getting us some fishing. Bless up on yourself, one and all. You see what me I say? Heart of love, man. Yeah, man, peeps. Today we are going to a look. Expedition, you know. Now you know my friend a DJ. We'll send him a rising star that semester. Yeah, man, peeps. So you see it? About what time now? 8 o'clock. So, sun set over water well pretty, you know. Yeah, man. Boy, you see the Firefox mash them up people about 15 parrot. Also, yeah man. How much you catch?
Just a dozen.
Just a dozen. Yeah man.
1 dozen nice clean fish.
And see Randy over there so peeps. I don't know if you can see him face and so far because you don't know. Yeah man. So, we're outside people.
Outside, we do like fox this morning. We go by that thing. You know what I mean? Don't make me do a put down and
yeah. And me see them, me think I dance him go, you know. You know, you see them man in me, I say dance, is a man I go. Yeah man, people, Firefox was the first one. What that, doctor? Oh, bridging. Nice bridging, peeps.
Walk up with the camera and show pics.
Yeah man. Pretty like a money.
First one in the morning.
Pretty peeps. You see me? We not go live today now, we got video. So we not save the action you know, we no peeps. Yeah man, heart of love. So peeps, so we catch the first one, we not catch no more, you know. And Firefox catch the first one. You see me? So him gone up there so. You see it, see him up there so peeps. Him gone up there so go look a different spot. Me and Randy there so same speed as it peeps. The sun not too come out yet. Me and Randy not grab nothing yet but I don't know. Outside we there no peeps, something have to happen, you know? Yeah man. Yeah man peeps, so Randy grab another source of fish I go and grab over there. Yeah man. In Japa. Jano Star. And we also we could have curry again. Run away fish them too. Oh yeah, they're way over there so peeps. So don't know him cut off so I just one of them thing there, you know? Yeah man, see my line there. Yeah man peeps, so we are gonna move from this location because you don't know. Nothing at all go on here so. Head up see. We get them here as a peeps so. Just keep it locked for the adventure so far. Only one fish catch and a fox catch him, you know peeps. Yeah man, one. Yeah man, and see him. Yeah man. Did I take some bait out and bucket and end up left it down here so. Bring it up the film, you know. Yeah man, nice parrot and pretty. Pretty done. So go up there, go see what him catch. You see him take up one? Yeah man, Randy a snack up, you know? Yeah man. Small gart this, you know, peeps. You have the big gart and the small gart, you know? Yeah man, the real general that a big gart, you see me? Want catch him on an adventure same way. So keep it locked man, we'll go up top. What you say, you ready Randy? Yeah man, him bite off the line.
Then up the hook and drop off.
Yeah man.
Down there on the fish and bro.
Oh, see bunna man ya peeps. Fire catch a bunna man in. Him so you know that see and catch them fish you have to go back home.
Fish. When the first
Guy.
fish come out, and the second one, you know what you do. They say when I catch the first fish and it's a bunna man, you have to go back. And the second one,
You say the bun now go on there. Your breeze bad in a fire. John no star.
come there, you know, we're going to go more time.
On the level here and look nice peeps. See your fish here? Eh? See me a fire. Sorry you here sir. Man proud. Him alone catch something so far peeps. I'm up see that look nice though. We can't see as far but up to flat rock you know. Yeah man. Babes, a man take up a bunna man and can't sign a bunna man this you know. The first one you know. Yeah man. So water. Peeps, them ya. Kanga Tony ya.
Yeah, anyway, no matter. Just want to mix it up. That's the bunna man there.
Bunna man that man.
But make a phone call, bro.
Check out what go on.
And a credit.
Oh, it's our fire. Yeah man, fire fox. Roll out in can as such is. Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah, man, I read Paris. I just read the sea product.
Put one pan if you beat. Put one. On the hook. Parrot love you know. Yeah man, babes, we're on the whole supplies, you know.
Alright, we can let it go, we can let it go. I'm see when you post facts, man. The facts that I have been on the fish, I'm not see it.
What? Great Jen.
I'm see when you post facts, man. I'm mad.
Great Jen.
You think they can come here and say you can look at me fish?
Up somewhere. Yeah man, they done strike him second one, you know.
Well, look fast, man.
Yeah. Outside with them man, babes. You know me I last for attack at all times, you know, so. You know where I go. Breeze out here, bad too. Yes, pips. For my first strike. Yeah, man. See, I'm nice. Rice top. Yeah, man. See my peeps? Fat down. Yeah. So my first one is not a bunna man, you know. Woo. Yeah, man. Nice one, you know, peeps.
I don't want to confident.
See him the peeps, throw him off in the water, you know? Be a tuck back and go out the back, you know peeps, yeah man. Yeah man peeps, second one, you know? Yeah man peeps, we have to go check in our bag for pliers in the car, you see it? Look at them teeth there, you see them teeth there?
Look at them teeth there.
Yeah man.
I'm down a lip. And that's why you didn't walk here, man. That's why you walk competition.
See what go on. I don't bring no come, so I'm the second one, you know, peeps. You govern, man. You govern enough for you. I'm not follow you, you know. Yeah, man, peeps. Third one, you know. This is called a bridge, you know.
I catch one part of
You get me, I say, peeps. Lovely one. Tear, you cut off your line. See my peeps? Yeah, man. The third one, you know what I mean, peeps? So, go out the back for my fourth, you know.
Oh, I must have breath now.
Yeah, man, peeps, see him there? Tree in the hole, you know, peeps? Yeah, man, peeps, so my fourth one there in there, you see me? Think I was videoing just now and it wasn't videoing, you know? But see it there, that are the pink one, the pinky. That's my fourth. Yeah, man, see it there? Another lovely dark teeth parrot, another one too. And a bridging, you know? So, things looking lovely so far. You see it, peeps? Still out there, you know? Take good time, do what we have to do. Yeah, man, my beautiful people. So this is my catch so far. You don't know. Nice and fresh from sea, you know. Fox them cut gone, left me saw me alone and catch us, but I catch up with them in a minute, you know. But see the peeps? Yeah, man. I'm gonna think my day done yet, you know. But just a try video enough for me can video. Catch enough clip, you know. Even though I have to catch on a video, but still I do it, peeps. So keep it locked, man. I string them up, you know. Yes, people, so here they are. My beauty when me catch so far, you know. Yeah, man, them lovely, don't? Yeah, man. See the peeps? Lovely, you know. Yeah, man. See him, peeps? So, we move up the line and now I'll do them gone left me, so. I move up the line, catch up with them. So, I just go and keep it locked, peeps. Yeah, man. Soldier crab get to it, you know, peeps. Yeah, let him get to it. I'm going in my bucket. That's one reason me have to move, you know. Them have the bait. Yeah, man, peeps. Them have the bait, so we have to move up the line and catch up with them, you know. Yeah, man. But we outside, peeps. Heart of love, man, yard and abroad. No joke about it, peeps. Yeah, man. Big up every viewers, every subscriber, Father Steve. You don't know I go everybody, you know? Yeah, man. So, up the line. See you when we reach up there. Yeah, man, peeps. So, we reach at the charm base, you know? Yeah, man. See, Firefox and they're up on top of the rock there. Yeah, man. See what go on? See them? Yeah, man. So, I walk there, so go up on the rock, go up there, go meet them, you know, see what them catch so far, you know. But it's a beauty, see them, you know, people, see there? What a beauty. Lovely, don't? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, so people reach up on top of Charm Base here now. You don't know. Yeah, man. I rock the right over there, so two, you know, peeps. You see me? Watch it. Andy and Fox. You see me? So, set up myself now to start, you know? Do the right thing. here, I don't see no boat at sea neither, peeps, you see me? Lovely one for the books, you know, peeps?
Yeah.
Nice bridging, Randy, that, you know what I mean? Lovely. Yeah, then a bride on the so I go on. Yeah. Outside, same way. I rig up and move from that spot your page because we never like you so yet. Too much itch. So me I go rig up my line and go up the line, you know? Yeah, man. Yeah! Fire Fox! Yes, fire! On a road now, fire. Yeah, man. So they love him.
They love him up one fish right away.
Yeah, man, people, I'm still a left here, so I don't like you, so none at all. Too much rigging.
You see how we carry up. Come in a bad spot. You know how you catch some more fish. So you look one.
What that me I do, man?
Yeah. What my son fire? How you think that?
Oops. Two of them are friends, you know, and they run me, you know. They get to me and say peace, but lovely, you know. Have something to smile about, done. So we are go up the line, you know. You hear peeps, yeah, man. For them spot, my spot, you know. Yeah, man, peeps. So finally, reach up at the new location. This is my first strike out here. Peeps, just take a look. I'm just showing you how strong the breeze is, you know. Just how strong the breeze is, you know. Cause right now the wind kill me. Yeah, man. The breeze out here high. So you know, so it's kinda hard to judge the line more time when the fish them a bite, you know. The first thing we do up on the high rock. You get what I say? So it's kinda difficult to judge the bite, but I do the best I can. Fox them still there down there, so I do for them thing, you know. I'm on the outside. I do my thing. You see it? But you know, just go and keep it locked, man. I heart of love. I see like somebody over there so I dive. You know? But we're outside, man. Somebody down there so as well fishing. As you see. Yeah, man. Good look out. You understand, peeps? Heart of love, man. Yard and abroad. Yeah, peeps, so this is another one, you know. Another nice one, you see it? Yeah, man, a jack. But you know, I'm not keep him for long because I'm going to use him as barra bait. So I send him out to see if I can grab a barra, you know, peeps. So quick and fast, I'm going to throw him back out into the water and my barra line and see if I can catch a barra. Yeah, man, so keep it locked, people, man. Heart of love, yard and abroad. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, peeps. So, don't know. We finished catch fish now. As you see, tide job. We are done. You have diver and I see out there, so dive. You see me? Yeah, man. So, with the head cross, we go inside back, you know. Sorry, me never catch some more clips to go, no. You know what I mean? Fire Fox out there, Mac. One thing with Randy, you know, when he done catch, you can never see him catch yet, you know. He's trapped them down, you know. See it, Fire Fox there. Come on. Good luck, my boss. See what go on, no pilot, no follow up from where you?
No, sir.
No pilot. Yeah, Randy make a good catch. One thing every man eat then dinner, you know. Man, boy, one thing my friend have to catch a pilot.
Yeah.
You know? Yeah, man.
So you go, man. I'm not that sure.
Yeah, man, but people, you know, I'm not cap off a video because I always so we can go out there and something excited go on. You see me? When you stay up on the back there and look on the front, I see you see water splash over. Blush! When you see what go on there, I set this sitting there. Hey Jack.
How do you go on? You can't climb down.
About take that up and go say kill me Jack in my yard.
You tell Fox to look like a Jack. The bird that give him trouble all that.
One clamshell.
You know find a pearl. I can't give one cat man. I say Fox I love a boy you know man.
Don't know why I'm going back good car, can't lock it.
Right in name pan that to the heart. Yeah man peeps so don't know as me I say tide. Normally we walk them places water we are walking you know. Or conquer anything, I don't know. Come on, peeps, so beautiful outside, you know. See what I go on? A nice day of fishing. Great Peng Beach, you know. Yeah, I'm on fish pot on top of fish pot. See that? Then I gotta see a trouble, you know. We now know the online man, and then a trouble when them I gotta see. Nothing left for we.
I'm on that man, but then I don't make it on cover.
Super, yeah. Super go out there go strike in a place. Super cat, you know?
Go look me dinner, you know?
Yeah, man. Go look mine too.
Alright, go find out.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Great super, I don't know him, you know.
That's another man. That's
Yeah, man. Outside, man.
Take it easy, you know. The big, strong, stable.
Who are you wicked out there, man?
Yeah, man, the big, very strong out there, my boy.
Super catch this man, you see it?
Alright. So we are there, look, man. You are there. When we realize, yeah.
Out there with cap for them, you know.
Yeah, man.
Cause super safe in see and a man catch a fish before him and top catch fish, you know, and never go back and see, you know.
Rasta said that I captaincy say I have to fight hard to beat you, see. But I get joke with the name, the two level that see one named Clancel and one named Oki to see. Me say man catch 5 vines, super, cheers. Together we start the violence fall. Yo, you see me afraid, super cat. When me look in next brother I go to bomb and catch and my man I captain, my uncle, you know. The man goes to bomb and catch one and you know, in flashing and say, yeah, him get it. Because to bomb one man, it goes and bomb one and he used to me say, yeah, help me out. Yo, you see next time when the man come in line, the man goes to bomb and there's 6 lines the man catch to be able to catch one.
Then the man go to the while.
So, I want look, you can't stop
And
the
Me saw
look,
you know
man.
when me dey pan rock, you know.
Eh?
See a bail out water.
You know, them motor fish when you see where come there. No, the time I go down and come back. The time I beat come in.
Why, Mr. Jamaican guy?
How do you get?
Me can't